Hi, this is Mobizen. Thanks to your support, AutoClick, a feature of Mobizen Recorder, has been released as an app. Unlike the features shown in Mobizen Recorder, we have introduced a variety of more advanced features. Mobizen Auto offers the convenience of a 1-second startup. Tap the air circle to add a tap point. You can create both tap points and swipe points. A single control bar makes it easy to use. Automatically completing game stages, quick clicks, and more. In particular, you can utilize swipes to automatically flip through documents, webcomics, news, and more. Let's take a look, shall we? Press the control bar to add a tap point. Set the point you want to click. Tap the tap point to set the time. Long press is also possible. Press the play button and the AutoClick will start. Easy, right? Next up is swiping. The point with the number is where the swipe starts. With this setup, it's a swipe from bottom to top, right? This is a very useful feature when you can't use your hands or just want to look at it in peace. You should try it in the shower too, lol. Next, Mobizen Auto provides automatic recognition. Auto recognition is a feature that recognizes an image or text and automatically clicks on that image text. This can be used for next buttons in idle games, or X buttons after commercials. Or even in situations where you need to click on a specific character. It recognizes text as well as images, allowing for auto-clicking. Next up is gesture recording. Gesture recording is a high-end freehand swipe feature that lets you draw whatever you want, unlike the swipe feature, which can only be a straight line. Zigzags, hearts, and stars are all possible. You can literally draw your own gestures, which is pretty special, right? Next up is the ability to save scripts. After specifying the tap points, hit the save button in the control bar. You can set a title and tag your scripts for easy categorization. You can even set up a dedicated app for each script so that you can pull it right out of that app. Once you hit the apply button, the app will launch and you'll be able to pull out the same points you saved. Pretty handy, right? In an era where everything is automated, Mobizen also wants to make your life easier, which is why we launched Mobizen Auto. This is a new release, so we're looking forward to your interest and feedback. See you in the next video. Bye. Hi, this is Mobizen. In our last video, we covered the basics of using Mobizen Auto. Today, we're going to show you how to utilize Mobizen Auto. We're going to talk about the high-quality features, script saving, script mix. First up is script utilization. In the previous video, we briefly explained how to save a script. You can do so much more than just create app-specific scripts. The good news is that you can save and load scripts locally. Set the pointer you want to use, and save the script. Saved scripts can be shared with other users via the Share button. The script is generated as an MSF file, which can also be saved locally to a drive, file manager, etc. When shared with other users via mail or drive, they can import the script into their device. You can import a shared script by selecting Mobizen Auto Home, Import Script, File. Also, by saving it locally or on a drive like this, you'll be able to retrieve it if you accidentally delete the script. Next up is the script mix feature. You can mix and match saved scripts. By combining saved scripts, you can perform more complex and varied tasks automatically. Script mix files can also be saved and shared locally and on drives. If I delete a script mix, I can still import it from a saved file. You can see the imported files in the script mix menu, not on the home screen. After mixing different scripts, you can set a start delay for each script. Press the Run button to start the mixed script. That's all for now on how to utilize Mobizen Auto. Did you find it helpful? If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Bye. Hi, this is Mobizen. In our last video, we talked about utilizing Mobizen Auto script. Today, I'd like to introduce you to some of the special features of Mobizen Auto. Unique to Mobizen Auto touching test point setup. First, let's talk about touching test. If you're new to auto clicking, it's hard to realize how fast it is. In that case, utilize touching test to get a feel for click-through rates. Set the touch points, set the speed, and set the test duration. You can measure how many clicks were made in 10 to 25 seconds and at what speed. We also used animals to represent the speed steps for better understanding. This shouldn't be hard to create touch points, right? Second, the click point settings. Go to Mobizen Auto Home Settings menu and tap the point section. From basic Mobizen characters to cute animal characters, it's free. Transform boring click points into something different. Premium users can create their own icons. I made mine with a cute smiley emoji. How's that for a much more vibrant click point? You'll be able to see more clearly at what point a click or swipe is becoming a swipe. If you're bored with generic click points, create your own. Create fun click points with the faces of your friends and family, even photos. Did you find this video helpful in using Mobizen Auto? Let us know in the comments and we'll make a video on how to use it. Meet Mobizen Auto, a professional and feature-rich auto clicker.